Improve laptop speed in 2 minutes. First open run command and type msconfig.msc, hit enter button. Next click on boot, then click and advance option and select the maximum number of processor, then click on OK button. Next click on services and click on hide all Microsoft services. After click and hide all Microsoft services, then click not disable all, then click on apply button and click on OK button. After click on OK button, click on exit without restart. Again open run command and type cmd and hit the enter button. After open the command prompt, type here winget upgrade all. You can see start the updating the required patch. After complete the update, please restart your computer. After restart, the computer is working very smoothly.